Hi friends, you are with our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Today's topic is General Knowledge Part 3. We already dealt with GK Part 1 and 2. Let's begin with today's session. Question number 1. Who proposed survival of fittest theory? Answer: Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin proposed survival of fittest theory. He is called as the father of evolution. Charles Darwin proposed natural selection theory also. Question number 2. Who called as Grand Old Man of India? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji, a freedom fighter of India, is called as the Grand Old Man of India. He is the only Indian who selected to British Parliament. Question number 3. How many fundamental rights are there in our constitution? Answer: 6 fundamental rights. In Indian constitution, we have 6 fundamental rights. Earlier, we had 7 fundamental rights, but 44th Amendment Act 1978 deleted one fundamental right, that is right to property. The 6 fundamental rights are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, religious and cultural right, right of minorities, and right to constitutional remedies. Indian Constitution borrowed fundamental rights from American Constitution. Question number 4. What is the study of kidney? Answer: nephrology. Nephrology is the study of kidney. Question number 5. The deficiency of vitamin C causes? Answer: scurvy. The deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Vegetables and many citric fruits are the rich source of vitamin C. The deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. The deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi, and the deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Question number 6. The richest source of vitamin D is? Answer: sunlight. Sunlight is the richest source of vitamin D. The deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Ricket is a disease which are normally found in small babies. Question number 7. The chemical formula of ozone? Answer: O3. O3 is the chemical formula of ozone. Ozone layer presents in stratosphere, which protects Earth from ultraviolet rays of sun. Question number 8. Which is the brightest star in our galaxy? Answer: Sirius. Sirius is the brightest star in our galaxy. On the other hand, Proxima Centauri is the nearest star to our Earth. Sirius is also called as dog star. Question number 9. Which planet is known as Lucifer? Answer: Venus. Venus planet is also called as Lucifer. Venus is called as morning star and evening star because we can see Venus after sunset and before sunlight. Venus is the brightest and hottest planet in our solar system. It is the second smallest and the nearest planet to sun. Question number 10. Who gave name to Neptune? Answer: John Herschel. The son of William Herschel, Mr. John Herschel gave the name planet Neptune. William Herschel founded the planet Uranus. Neptune was founded by Leverrier and it is named by John Herschel. All planets except Uranus, Neptune and Earth are named after Roman goddess. Question number 11. Which are the primary colors present in rainbow? Answer: red, blue and green. Red, blue and green are called primary colors. The colors we can see in rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Red is having highest wavelength and the violet color is having lowest wavelength. Red and green color gives yellow color, blue and green color gives cyan, red and blue color gives magenta color. Question number 12. Red color of blood is due to? Answer: iron. The red color of blood is due to iron. The central metal present in hemoglobin is iron. Hemoglobin helps in the supply of oxygen to the tissues. Question number 13. Which is the national animal of Australia? Answer: kangaroo. Kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra. The national animal of India is Bengal tiger. Question number 14. Which substance gives color to skin? Answer: melanin. Melanin gives colors to skin. Due to the variation of this substance, the color of a human being varies from one person to another. Question number 15. The hardest part in human body? Answer: enamel. Enamel is the hardest part in human body. Enamel present in tooth. The bone and tooth are made up of tricalcium phosphate. Next question. The deficiency of which hormone causes diabetes mellitus? Answer: insulin. The deficiency of insulin causes diabetic mellitus. Insulin is injected to the diabetic patient. Question number 17. The central metal present in chlorophyll? Answer: magnesium. Magnesium is the central metal present in chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps in the photosynthesis. The green color of leaves due to chlorophyll. Question number 18. Who is called as father of economics? Answer: Adam Smith. Adam Smith is called as the father of economics. The book written by Adam Smith is Wealth of Nations. Next question. Who is called as father of biology? Answer: Aristotle. Aristotle is called as father of biology and father of philosophy. Aristotle is the student of Plato and Aristotle's student is Alexander the Great. Question number 20. The image formed in retina is? Answer: real and inverse. The image formed in retina is real and inverse. In retina, biconvex lens is present. The part of cornea is donated to another person. Iris gives color to eye. Question number 21. Oil does not mix with water because of? Answer: surface tension of oil is much lesser than that of water. Oil does not mix with water because of surface tension of oil is lesser than that of water. Water is having highest surface tension. Question number 22. In how many states Tropic of Cancer passes? Answer: 8 states. In India, through 8 states, the Tropic of Cancer passes. The 23° 5 minutes north is called as Tropic of Cancer. The 8 states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Question number 23. How many states shares coastal boundary? Answer: 9 states. In India, 9 states shares coastal boundary. The 9 states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Odisha. Question number 24. The Government Act of 1919 is also called as? Answer: Montagu-Chelmsford Reform. The Government Act of 1999 is also called as Montagu-Chelmsford Reform. Question number 25. Whose birthday is celebrated as International Students' Day? Answer: Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday is celebrated as International Students' Day. Abdul Kalam was the former President of India and he also the chairman of ISRO and DRDO. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam served as the scientific advisor to the Indian government. He is called as the Missile Man of India. Wings of Fire is his autobiography. Question number 26. When National Voters' Day is celebrated? Answer: 25th January. On 25th January, the National Voters' Day is celebrated in India. In India, election is done by the Election Commissioner of India. Question number 27. In which year Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? Answer, on April 13, 1919. On April 13, 1919, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in Amritsar, Punjab. General Dyer ordered the police to fire on the mass present in Amritsar, the holy place of Sikh. Thousands of people died in this massacre. Question number 28. Which gas is responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy? Answer, methyl isocyanate. Methyl isocyanate is a gas which is responsible for the Bhopal gas tragedy. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Union Carbide factory is responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy. Question number 29. When Article 370 abolished? Answer, 5th August 2019. On 5th August 2019, the Article 370 abolished. Article 370 gives special provision to Jammu and Kashmir. After the abolition of Article 370, the state Jammu and Kashmir divided into two union territories named Jammu and Ladakh. Question number 30. When UNO established? Answer, on 24th October 1945. On 24th October 1945, after the Second World War, the United Nations established. Question number 31. Why diamond sparks? Answer, due to total internal reflection. Due to total internal reflection, diamond sparks. Optical fiber also works on the principle of total internal reflection. The mirage formation is also due to total internal reflection. The incident light completely returns back is called as total internal reflection. Question number 32. Jet engine works on the principle of? Answer, conservation of linear momentum. Jet engine works on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. Question number 33. The study of universe called as? Answer, cosmology. The study of universe is called as cosmology. Cosmo means universe and logy means study. Question number 34. Expand BCG. Bacillus calmette-guerin is called as BCG. BCG is injected to the newborn baby to prevent tuberculosis disease. Question number 35. Why gypsum is added to cement? Answer, to increase the setting time. Gypsum is added to cement to increase the setting time. Cement quickly reacts with the atmospheric air. Question number 36. Expand bark. Baba Atomic Research Center. Baba Atomic Research Center is named after Indian scientist Homi J. Baba. Homi J. Baba is called as the father of Indian nuclear physics. Question number 37. How the purity of petrol measured? Answer, through octane number. Through octane number, the purity of petrol is measured. The number of carbon in petrol is C8 to C14. Question number 38. Who invented penicillium drug? Answer, Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming invented penicillium drug. It is the first drug invented in the world. Question number 39. Why the drug quinine is used? Answer, for curing malaria disease. The drug quinine is used for curing malaria disease. Question number 40. Where is HAL situated? Answer, at Bangalore. Hindustan Aeronautical Limited is situated at Bangalore. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Question number 41. The SI unit of power? Answer, watt. The SI unit of power is watt. Watt is named after the English scientist James Watt. James Watt invented a steam engine. James Watt lived in the 17th century and he contributed to the Industrial Revolution. Question number 42. The first Indian nuclear reactor? Answer, Apsara. Apsara was the first Indian nuclear reactor. Question number 43. Who proposed heliocentric theory? Answer, Copernicus. Copernicus proposed heliocentric theory. According to heliocentric theory, Sun is at the center of the solar system. But Ptolemy proposed geocentric theory. Geocentric theory states that Earth is at the center of the solar system. Question number 44. Which article deals with the Election Commission? Answer: Article 324. Article 324 deals with the Election Commission in India. Question number 45. How many tribal states are there in India at present? Answer: 10. At present, there are 10 tribal states in India. Question number 46. First Chief Election Commissioner. Answer: Sukumar Sen. Sukumar Sen was the first Chief Election Commissioner. The term of Election Commissioner in India was 6 years. Election Commission conducts election to the Indian Parliament and Legislature. Question number 47. First Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Physics. Answer: C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was the first Indian to receive Nobel in Physics. C.V. Raman got Nobel Prize in the year 1930. He also awarded with Bharat Ratna in the year 1954 along with C. Rajagopalachari and S. Radhakrishnan. C.V. Raman got Nobel Prize for Raman scattering. Question number 48. Who showed that white light is a mixture of 7 colors? Answer: Newton. Newton showed that white color is a mixture of 7 colors. Newton is famous for law of gravitation and law of motion. Question number 49. How many pairs of chromosomes are present in human body? Answer: 23 pairs. 23 pairs of chromosomes are there in human body. 22 pairs are called as autosome and one pair is called as sexsome. XX in girl and XY in boys. Question number 50. First Indian mission to Mars. Answer: Mangalyaan. Mars Orbiter Mission or Mangalyaan is the first Indian mission to Mars, which was launched on 5th November 2013. This is all about General Knowledge Part 3. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Thank you.